we're going to go over the automatic generator start or AGS system, both for the 120 volt startup to charge our 12 volt and our air conditioner automatic startup. So the first thing we're going to do is actually open the cabinet right behind the driver's seat in the overhead cabinet. We're going to be on our home screen. So if we want to actually do the air conditioning or heater, let's just go ahead and go to the thermostat setting first. Once I go there, I can actually turn one of those on. So if I wanted to go to cool, I just turn that on and set my temperature. As we can see, we're at 71 degrees setting right now. So next thing I'd want to do is go to my auto gen start or AGS. And once I do that, sometimes those would be not highlighted. They'd be gray like you see here. But if I want just the auto gen start function to start with the air conditioning, I want to tap that to HVAC. And then I want to make sure that I don't have it shut off here on the various times here, like 4:45 a.m. So like this generator would automatically start once it gets below, the temperature that I have it set, and the generator will automatically start. For my automatic generator start or AGS system, if I want to set that for low voltage, I just want to hit my setting here for AGS, come over here, and then I want to actually enable it, and I'm going to need to do that on air conditioning or the 12 volt charging system. So I'm going to actually push that button, and then I'm going to have to hold this warning for 3 seconds and release. And now I'm ready to actually do the parameters. I can do a lot of things here. As we can see, I can start at certain voltages. I can start for how many seconds after it hits those voltages. I can stop at a voltage when it reaches a certain number. And or once it gets that number, I can set that time parameter. And then I can also set the minimum run time. So if I have it set really low, I'm going to need to set that up for a longer period. As the generator, while it's running and I'm charging the system, it's putting out about 25 amps per hour. So if I'm down to 50%, I'm going to need to run that as long as it would create 80 amp hours. So if we do the math, that's going to be just over 3 hours of runtime for that generator. So then I would come down here and actually turn that down or up.